the given number by prime factorization method. The prime factorization means we have to find its prime factors and then express the given number in the product of its prime factors. Now look at, first of all you have to write the given number, then we have to find its prime factor. Prime factor means first we have to take the prime number 2. The 729 is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. Then 3. Can 729 is completely divisible by 3 or not? So by checking, by adding the digits 7 plus 2 plus 9, it gives 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. So 729 is divisible by 3 according to divisibility test. So we divide 729 by 3 and give the quotient and write below there 243. Similarly, we can again do the same steps. We find the again prime factor of 243. 243 is divisible by 3, so divide it and write the quotient below. 81 is divisible by 3, write the quotient below 27. We do the process till you get a quotient 1 here. So 27 is divisible by 3, so divide it and write the quotient below, that is 9. Divide 9 by 3, you get a quotient 3 right there. Then divide 3 by 3 and you get a quotient 1. Now stop the process. After getting 1 in this column, we have to stop the process. Then express the given number in the product of its prime factor. 729 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then grouping the factor into pair of equal factors. 729 तो पेयर में ले लिया अभी यहाँ पे 3 into 3, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Now taking square root on both sides. Now before going to the next steps, please look at the concept. You know that square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. Why? You know that 4 can be expressed as 2 square. If you apply the law of indices or law of exponents, so you can observe that square root means half power and 2 raised to the power half you gives 2. Or otherwise for 2 multiplied by 2, only one 2 is came out from the square root sign. So this concept we apply for the here. So when 2 3's in the pair in the square root sign, then out of this only 1 3 is came out. So we apply here and write the square root of 729, taking one factor from each pair. Therefore square root of 729 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and is 77 is equal to 27. If you like this, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you students.